You've seen the headlines, people turning small crypto bets into life-changing fortunes. Stories of overnight millionaires and dramatic price surges have captured the world's imagination, making crypto one of the most talked-about financial revolutions of our time. The appeal is obvious: a new digital frontier where anyone with an internet connection can participate. No matter your background or where you live, the doors to this financial world are open to you. Crypto isn't just about money, it's about a shift in how we think about finance and ownership. It's a movement that challenges traditional systems and empowers individuals to take control of their assets in ways never before possible. The promise? Financial decentralization. You control your money, no banks required. With blockchain technology, you become your own bank, making transactions directly and securely. You can send funds globally in minutes, bypassing borders and traditional fees. Whether you're supporting family overseas or investing in new opportunities, crypto makes it seamless. You can access financial tools once reserved for the elite, from advanced trading platforms to innovative lending and borrowing services, all from your own device. And you can join the next evolution of the internet, Web 3. This new era is about ownership, privacy, and participation in a digital economy built for everyone. But let's be clear, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. The crypto world is full of risks, volatility, and uncertainty, and it's easy to get swept up in the hype. Success in crypto takes learning, patience, and a real strategy. You'll need to invest time in understanding the market, the technology, and the psychology behind price movements. The winners are those who understand the tech, manage risk, and keep emotions in check. They know when to act and when to wait, and they never stop learning. This guide will give you the foundation to navigate crypto smartly and safely. We'll break down the essentials so you can make informed decisions every step of the way. We'll cover how people make money, from trading to long-term holding, and the rules for staying safe. You'll learn how to spot opportunities, avoid common pitfalls, and protect your investments. Let's unlock the secrets of crypto wealth, but let's do it the smart way. With the right knowledge and mindset, you can build a future that's both exciting and secure. Your financial future deserves nothing less. Let's get started on your journey into the world of crypto wealth. Before we dive in, you need to know, crypto is extremely volatile. The world of digital currencies moves at lightning speed and prices can swing wildly in just a matter of hours. Prices can double in a week or crash by half in a day. These dramatic shifts aren't rare. They're part of the game. And they can catch even experienced investors off guard. There are no guarantees, no safety nets. Unlike traditional investments, crypto doesn't come with built-in protections or insurance if things go wrong. Only invest what you can afford to lose. If losing it would hurt your life, don't risk it. Your rent, savings, or emergency fund should never be on the line. Stories of both millionaires and people losing everything are real. For every success story, there are countless tales of regret and loss. FOMO is powerful, but chasing pumps is a recipe for disaster. Emotional decisions often lead to costly mistakes, especially in such a fast-moving market. Start small. Think of it as paying for an education. Take time to learn, experiment with small amounts, and build your knowledge before risking more. In crypto, a 20–30% drop in a day is normal. Don't let sudden dips shake your confidence or push you into panic selling. You're often buying into a future promise, not a proven business. Many projects are still experimental, and their long-term success is far from certain. Always ask, if this money vanished, would I be okay? It's a crucial question that every investor should consider before clicking buy. If not, step back and reconsider. There's no shame in waiting or walking away until you're truly ready. Discipline is what separates winners from cautionary tales. Staying calm, informed, and patient is your best defense in this unpredictable space. With that in mind, let's explore what crypto is all about, armed with the right mindset and a healthy respect for the risks involved. So, what is crypto? Imagine a digital notebook shared across thousands of computers worldwide. Every transaction is recorded everywhere at once. That's a blockchain. It's nearly impossible to cheat or alter, making it secure and transparent. No banks or governments needed. The network verifies everything. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are the digital money used on these blockchains. When you send Bitcoin, the network records it permanently. The magic is decentralization. No single point of failure, no one in control. It's a shift from trusting companies to trusting code and community. You're investing in technology, networks, and people. The The value of a coin depends on its blockchain's utility and security. Ask, does it solve a real problem? Is it fast, cheap, and useful? With this foundation, let's look at how people profit from crypto. The most talked about way to make money in crypto is active trading. It's about buying low, selling high, sometimes within minutes. Traders use technical analysis, news, and gut instinct to predict price swings. The risks, enormous. Most beginners lose money fast. Emotional decisions and lack of risk management wipe out accounts. Tools like stop-loss orders are essential, but even then, it's a tough game. For most, trading is stressful and rarely profitable. If you try it, use only a tiny amount you're willing to lose. For most people, there's a better, calmer way to build wealth. The smarter strategy for most? HODLing, buying and holding quality coins for years. Ignore short-term swings. Focus on long-term growth and adoption. HODLing removes the stress of trading and lets you benefit from the tech's evolution. Form a thesis, like Bitcoin as digital gold, and invest based on belief in the future. Pair this with dollar-cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly, no matter the price. This smooths out volatility and reduces the risk of buying at the top. Market crashes become buying opportunities, not disasters. DCA and HODLing build your position steadily and remove emotion from investing. For anyone with a day job, this is the most practical, proven way to grow wealth in crypto. Patience and discipline are your best friends. Let's look at how to earn even more, passively. Want to earn passive income? Enter staking. With proof-of-stake coins, you lock up your crypto to help run the network and earn rewards, often for 20% APY. Major exchanges make staking easy. Just opt in and start earning. You compound your investment, earning more coins over time. For beginners, staking is a simple way to grow your holdings. Yield farming is the riskier cousin, lending your crypto to DeFi protocols for higher returns. Yields can be huge, but so are the risks. Smart contract bugs, hacks, and impermanent loss. Only advanced users should try yield farming, and only with money they can afford to lose. For most, staking is the safer, smarter choice. Now, let's explore even more speculative opportunities. Beyond holding and staking, there's the world of NFTs and airdrops. NFTs are unique digital assets, art, collectibles, in-game items, traded for profit. Some early collectors made millions, but most NFTs go to zero. Success requires deep community involvement and spotting trends early. Only risk what you can afford to lose. Airdrops are free tokens given to early users of new projects. Sometimes, these are worth thousands, but there's no guarantee. Airdrop hunting takes time, research, and luck. These strategies are speculative and unpredictable. Use them to learn, not as a main income stream. In crypto, DYOR, do your own research, is your survival skill. Don't trust influencers, celebrities, or random online tips. Start with the project's white paper. What's the idea? Who's the team? Is it original? Check if the founders are public and credible. Study tokenomics. How are coins distributed? Who holds the supply? Join the community. Are people engaged and asking smart questions? Ignore hype. It's often a trap. When everyone's euphoric, risk is highest. When everyone's scared, opportunity may be greatest. Conviction from research helps you hold through storms and avoid FOMO. Make decisions based on facts, not hype. Making money is only half the battle. Keeping it safe is just as important. In the fast-paced world of crypto, security should always be your top priority. The digital nature of cryptocurrencies means your assets are only as safe as the precautions you take. Scams, hacks, and phishing are everywhere. There's no undo button in crypto. Once your funds are gone, they're gone for good, so you need to be extra cautious with every click and transaction. Use a hardware wallet, ledger, or Trezor to store your crypto offline and protect your private keys. Keeping your assets in cold storage is one of the most effective ways to prevent online theft. Never share your seed phrase. Anyone with it can steal your funds. Write it down and store it somewhere only you can access, away from prying eyes and digital threats. Diversify your investments. Don't put everything in one coin. Spreading your risk across different assets helps protect you from sudden losses if one project fails. Even the best projects can fail unexpectedly. The crypto market is volatile, and no investment is ever completely safe, no matter how promising it seems. hold mostly established coins, with smaller bets on new projects. Blue-chip cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are generally safer, while new tokens can be riskier but offer higher potential rewards. Be skeptical of anything promising guaranteed returns. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. There are no guarantees in crypto. If someone asks for your private keys or seed phrase, it's a scam. No legitimate service or person will ever need this information from you. Legitimate support will never ask for sensitive info. Always double-check URLs and contact details before responding to anyone claiming to be support. Stay vigilant, question everything, and prioritize security. Take your time with every transaction and never rush into decisions. Profits only count when they're safe in your control. Protect your gains by keeping your assets secure and under your own management. Be smart, be careful, and you'll thrive in the crypto world. With the right habits and a cautious mindset, you can enjoy the benefits of crypto while minimizing the risks.